We are going to discuss about the type of effluent that is FOG. FOG stands for fats, oil and grease. Fats are typically esters of fatty acid with glycerol and remain solid at room temperature and can be known as fats. Grease is a general term used for a melted and soft form of animal fat and can be known with the other term that is lubricant. Oil also are esters of fatty acid with glycerol and which are liquid at room temperature. So we call it as oil. So basically, what problems are arises due to presence of this FOG? So due to the presence of FOG, it causes the film formation around the microbes, which are actually involved in the biological degradation activities. So due to this, there is a low DO, there is a decrease in the biological activity, there is a clogging of pipes due to the deposition of organic matter in the treatment units. There is a excessive bad smell, bad odor around the plants. There is a increase in the chances of maintenance and inspection. Because of this maintenance and inspection done at various areas like pipelines which are getting choked daily on daily basis, on weekly basis, due to the presence of this FOG contained in the wastewater. There is a huge amount of manpower and time is also elapsed while managing these things under control. So what basically is this fats and oil and grease are doing? Due to the presence of this FOG, that is fat, oil and grease in the ecology, it damages the ecological cycle, the balance of aquatic life cycle. It also affects the ecological cycle in the matter of like it is causing many problems in the to the plants and animal and equally to the human beings in the form of carcinogenic and mutagenic forms. So unless and until if you do not get rid of this effluent, and the thing is that unless and until the microbial activities going on for degrading this type of effluents, so it will create a nuisance in the whole atmosphere, whole environment, until and unless it is present in the environment in its physical state. So now let us discuss about the type of industries. The food service industries, establishments like commercial kitchens, hotels, motels, cafeterias, the edible and vegetable industries, the food processing industries, the fat industries, the detergent industries, the oil and gas industries, grease and paints and coating, surface finishing industries. So these are few examples of industries which actually producing huge amount of FOG kind of waste. So now let us discuss about the why we need to remove of this FOG element from the wastewater. Decrease in the FOG from the wastewater will not only incite the activity of sludge digesting microorganisms, it also prevent the blockage of or filling or filming of waste system. It is also remove the unpleasant odor caused due to the high BOD and COD present in the wastewater. It is also help to prevent the organic waste deposited on the surface of settling tanks, pipes and digesters, pumps and sensors, which are actually meant to reduce the type of effluent in this wastewater system. So we are not means we are actually knowing various techniques, various conventional techniques which deals in the removing of oil and grease are. First is oil skimming, using oil skimming tanks, that is oil skimmer. There is a oil and grease traps are there in the treatment plants. The API, that is American Petroleum Institute, separators are also there to deal with this oil and grease type of effluent. Insoluble fats and oils and grease are removed through the gravity separation method also, but it is having a low efficiency than the regular one. Regular ones means there are if certain processes like DAP system, the uses of aluminum ferric chloride coagulants are there. The acidification process by using the acid like hydrochloric acid and the sulfuric acid. Using this process, it is not only possible to treat FOG type of waste in the wastewater, but also it is very much costlier than the regular biological treatment processes. There are few other methods like using ionizing gas, ionizing rays like gamma rays, and absorption methods like clay or other minerals. So these are the certain conventional type of techniques which are actually used to remove, which are actually implemented to remove this oil and grease from the wastewater. Now, what is the principle? What is the principle behind? Means if you go if you are going for other techniques other than this chemical type of treatment, so what is the main principle behind that? So using biological type of treatment means if you recommend biological type of treatment, that we are actually introducing some kind of microbes or bacteria to this effluent stream. So what will happen is it will form a thin layer, means it will form a layer of useful microbes in the oil trap and the drain lines. It will be layered like means so many bacteria in the drain lines itself, which lessen the future accumulation of this grease and oil organic matter in this pipeline. By thing is that it will the layered form of microorganisms present in these surfaces is not only degrading the incoming effluent containing the FOC content by converting it into the simplest form of compounds like carbon dioxide and water. Also, the type of bacteria, the type of microbes which are actually dealing with this with this degrading activities, it comprises the fusion of probiotics, which have the capability to remove the oil and grease and other organic waste which are getting accumulated and deposited in the surfaces of these pipelines and the surfaces of the tanks itself, by converting into the simpler form of compound, that is carbon dioxide and water. So this is the main principle of biological treatment in which we are actually using the microbes, bacteria. Now let us talk about the solution, solution which actually Bacta Cult brand is going to suggest for this type of effluent, for treating this type of effluent. So Bacta FOG SR bar is the type of product which we are actually recommending for the treatment of this type of effluent, or we can say we are going to suggest these industries, this treatment, these industries we are actually running, which actually operating the water treatment plants. So we are actually going to suggest FOG SR bar, which they can be used in their effluent stream to possibly treating this type of effluent. So basically, FOGSR bar is a microbial enzyme. It is a revolutionary type of time-released bacteria and enzyme block that not require any modification in the plumbing. There is not actually requiring any modification in the plant or any plumbing modification or any other type of modification which can be which can be implemented in the wastewater system. Blocks are it is actually eco-friendly and green component which are good for the environment. It is not actually harming or not actually cause of other capital to be used for the special for making the any special time modification in modification.